the things ahead, and I try to fight, all with my own mind, starting to lose.
It's Christmas party season, and we've got one just for you children here at Excel Church. So if you come along to Kids Shape Autumn G-Force, then you're invited to our Kids Christmas party, which will be on Saturday the 22nd of December from 11 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. You need to sign up and tell us what you want for your dinner, and you can do that either by picking up a form from the welcome desk or going to our website or via Exchange as well. So book yourself in for our Kids Christmas party the 22nd of December at 11 a.m.
And turning this heart into something new.
If you're anything like me and you never have any cash on you, then we've got some good news for you, because here at Excel Church we now have a card reader, so you can pay for anything by card. There'll be somebody in the foyer before and after the service, so if you want to buy something from the shop, if you want to make a special donation, if you want to pay for something like Strength Will Rise, then you can do that by card. You can go and see somebody in the foyer with the card reader and do that today.
Home, diving in and letting go, I'm giving myself to you.
This Friday night at 180, everybody is welcome, because it's 180 Uniting Praise. So starting at 8:15 p.m, we're going to have worship and word, and the word this week is going to be brought to you by our very own Daniel Lee. It's going to be an awesome night, and we hope to see you there this Friday at 8:15.
This more myself to you. You're taking the darkness,
As you're probably aware, Sundays here at Excel are getting pretty busy, and it's getting harder and harder to fit you all in. And we think this is probably going to be even more of an issue for our Christmas specials, when we have lots of visitors in. So for that reason, we're adding a second service. They're going to be at 11 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. on the 23rd of December. They're going to be free events, but you need to get yourself a ticket, and you can get them from our website or from Exchange. Now, if you would like your children to take part in the nativity for the Christmas special, then you need to register them now. You can do that online again via Exchange or our website, and go to the link that says about the Christmas rehearsal on the 22nd of December. We would love your children to be involved in both of the services, so if you can bring them to those, that would be brilliant. And we will provide them with lunch in between the two services, so that's even better news for you. So that's our Christmas specials. Get your tickets today, get your kids signed up, and make Christmas awesome here at Excel.
taking the darkness, the hopeless, and turning this heart into something new.
Before you leave today, today, make sure you go and get yourself a big wad of these. There are Christmas invitation flyers. We've got details of all the services that are taking place here over Christmas, and we want you to take them and invite your friends and your family, your neighbours, whoever you think of. Take some of these, give them out and get them along this Christmas. The other thing to let you know about before we leave Excel News this week is that this Wednesday night at 7:30 p.m. is our AGM. So if you're a partner here at Excel, please make every effort to attend. It's just going to be a short meeting and there'll even be some refreshments for you. We hope you have a fantastic week and see you back next Sunday for more Excel News.